Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Tide V heated jacket. It nicely comes packed inside a box. On the box itself it tells the size and the color of the jacket. So here's the jacket which is inside a packet. We have already opened it and tried this jacket for unboxing. We have out of the box, first of all we have a power bank, and you can see it's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it says all the output and input. So keeping all aside, here is the jacket itself. You can see it's in black color and this also looks quite big. Here we have the Tide V branding sticker. So here basically it tells how to use this jacket and how to keep yourself warm. So you can see this, how this tells. You can pause the video and read the same. Some key features given such as are windproof, waterproof, breathable, it keeps you warm, and it says the red, white and blue for the temperature. So here are some safety instructions such as do not use the heated device with an infant, child or helpless person, etc. You should not use it if the innerwear is wet. So you can see these are all the basic safety informations that are given. So you should basically read this and follow along. And of the jacket, you can see this is how it looks. We have a nice head cap, and then we have a Tide V branding here. We have one line zipper here, which is basically you have another line inside, and you can see here you have the zipper, and here you can just attach the velcro. So you have a velcro as well here which you can be attached, so that's quite nice. We also do have separate hand strap wherein you can just tighten this to make sure that the cloth is tight on your hand and it is not loose, so that you don't feel any cold. So this is also quite good. The bottom side we have a small button which can get plugged in here. Inside the jacket, you can see here we have one layer and then we have another layer of thermal here. So we have, you can see we have two layers here. One is this normal layer and then another is this layer. So this is the layer wherein you will have the wires. So you can see these are the wires here. So if you can see this here, the wire is going up on this one. It basically runs through this whole line and it comes here. So it's the wire is inside the inner layer, and this is where the heating will start to occur inside this layer. So here we have a pocket zipper. So you can just open this, and here you have a pocket zipper which is quite big. This is basically a normal zipper. So here you can just keep all your keys or cards, etc. Same goes with this side. This side also you have a same extra pocket. So here in this part we can feel some wires and some coils here, so that this will basically make the jacket heated. And here you can see here are some instructions here given of Tide V and the other information. Inside we have such more instructions here. So you can see we have more such instructions given here on how to use this, and it says 100% polyester and polyester, and insulation tells it made in China. To your left side, this is the pocket that you see. This will hold your power bank. So there's a zipper here. Inside this zipper we do have the wire. You can see here we have wire inside this zipper. It also comes with a cap, so when you're not using it, just close it and you're good to go. If you see the head cap, this can be removed, the button, and then you can remove the cap altogether. You can just unzip this, and here you can see we have removed the cap altogether. The cap as well, we have these straps which you can pull so that you can tighten the cap. So this is how you do that. If you want, you can also remove this inner layer. You just have to unzip this side and this will remove the inner layer, and same goes with the cap as well. Just remove this button here and unzip it and you're good to go. So you can just remove this, unzip. So now if you see, we have an inner jacket here which is quite cool. So here you can put your power bank and stuff. You can use your power bank, and this is the inner jacket which you can use even separately. And if you want, you can use the other layer separately as well as a normal jacket. So this is quite cool. This is a 2-in-1 multi-purpose jacket from Tide V, which is really nice, and we really like this concept. Now taking a look at the power bank of the Tide V. So here we have the power bank, which is a very simple looking normal power bank of 10,000 milliamp hour. And here we have multiple slots for charging and the output. It's Type-C output, more input and all that stuff. So how do you use the power bank with this jacket, right? So it's pretty easy. Just connect the battery, press it for 3 seconds, and you can see it will show the connection temperature settings. So with the battery percentage, you can see it's high temp, medium temp and low temp with red, white and blue LEDs. And this tells us how to turn it off and what to do if the device gets turned off, etc. So you can just read out of the instruction, pause the video and follow it accordingly, and then use this jacket. Now connected the power bank to the cable, and now we'll turn on the heat settings. So this is the button, press it for 3 seconds and this will turn on the heat. So you can see it's on the highest heat right now. If I press it one more time, this will come to the medium heat, and if I press it one more time, it comes to the lowest heat. So accordingly I can set the heat and I can use it. And if I want to turn it off, just press it for a few seconds and this will basically get turned off and we are good to go. Guys, that was a quick unboxing and overview video of the Tide V jacket. So we've used this jacket for a few days and we have found it to be very useful. So this gives a really good heat and it can go up to 130 Fahrenheit, which is quite good. So in intense winters, you are pretty much sorted out. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing the same, a link to same will be in the description. From here you can go and buy it. So thank you so much for watching guys, and we will catch you guys soon in the next video.